Yeah, yesterday I forgot to explain you how to select the resistance of the resistor, and I miss a lot of things because it is my first video, virtual videos showing on YouTube. Okay, today I will explain you how to select resistor, resistance, and some other. It is like tutorial of Autodesk Tinkercad. Okay, now we are in the home screen. Okay, okay, I will show you everything. Now we are on the home screen. So when you click on classes, you can enroll in a class. If you click on join a class, you have to provide the code that your teacher shared with you. So when you type the code here, you can directly join in that class. Okay, this is another topic. Okay, and when you click on designs, you will see all your designs. I made all these designs, these circuits before, so you will find all these circuits, your designs. I made all this. Okay, these are things like you can also select designs that I made circuits. I only made circuits. Okay, so if you made some 3D designing, you can click here. You will see all your designings here. I didn't make any 3D design yet, so showing nothing. If you click on code blocks, it is showing nothing because I didn't make anything. So coming back to the circuits, these are the circuits I made. Okay, So you have to click on it and drag here. Okay, yes, it is here, right? Okay, if you want rotate it, like you will get option. You can select press on this option to rotate, or you can simply press R button on the keyboard, so it will rotate. Okay, okay, this is for rotating. So we want to reduce its size, so scroll on the mouse front side, it will increase the size. Back side, scrolling back on the mouse, it will get decrease. So okay, you can also give name to this battery. When you press on this battery, you will get pop-up here. You can select on the name, and I will name it as B1. B1. Okay, it's okay. So now I want to select one LED. I will select LED. Okay, here are some of the LEDs you can select. Now I will select a normal LED. Okay, I selected. So I'm going to name it LED1, or simply L1. No, LED1. L means sometimes it will be inductor name. Okay, you can also select color of the LED. Here green, yellow, orange, blue, red and white. Now I will select green LED. Okay, yeah, we have selected the LED, and we have given the name and color of the LED. Okay, now wait for a second. Okay, everything is fine, but you can see it is anode and it is cathode, the terminals, right? If you want to reverse these terminals, you can also reverse. Just simply click on LED and press M button on keyboard. See, click M button. See, the terminals are changing, right? Okay, or you can select option, mirror option here, mirror component. You can also select here. Okay, it is fine, right? So we are now, I want to one resistor. You can simply, it will be there. So now click on it. Okay, then you can drag wherever you want. Now click R button to rotate. You can, okay, you can directly connect this resistor to this terminal, any terminal, or you can connect via any wire. So I am going to connect this with one wire. Okay, now I am going to select uh, one switch. Okay, type switch. You will get a lot of switches here. You can select this switch, this switch, this. There are number of switches. Okay, you can click here to close that, sidebar. Okay, now I'm closing that sidebar. It is a normal switch, and it is push button, and it is a dip switch, DPST, sorry. Okay, now we will start with a normal switch. It is beginner level, right? So now I'm going to delete. You can select here delete option, or you can select delete button on your keyboard. Okay, it is deleted now. Now I am going to give name to this resistor. It is, I will select R1. I named it R1, and here you can select the resistance. Now I will select 240 volt, 240 ohms, not kilo ohms. Kilo ohms is higher, right? I select here. You will get micro ohms, like that I'm selecting normal ohms. Okay, you can see when I'm selecting the color band, their band colors are changing. Observe, I will see that now I'm selecting 1 ohm. See, colors are changing. Observe that 240 ohms. See, you can see the colors are changing. Okay, and now I will name this switch to uh, switch 1, sorry, switch 1. Okay, everything is fine. Now I will select, now I'm going to connect it with wire. Sorry. Okay, if you want to connect wire, first click on any terminal. So I'm clicking on this positive terminal of battery, and dragging and connecting to uh, come to the point where terminal will show for resistor on any terminal. Now click, it is connected. Okay, 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 it is connected. Okay, now I'm connecting LED to resistor. Oh, maybe someone will not connect this like in a straight line. So I will show you. I connected this like this at initially, so it is problem, right? Okay, and I will show you how to correct it. When you click on the wire, you will see some dots. Now clicking on drag and drop those dots. See, it is correctly aligned with horizontal and vertical lines axis. Okay, now click on it. See, okay, it is perfect. In this way you can align wirings. Okay, now I'm going to connect this switch. Okay, click on any terminal. Now click here, and left side, click here,